Hello, welcome to Do-It-Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off or change motion smoothness of our screen in Samsung Galaxy A55. So where to look for this option and how to change it. First of all, we need to go to settings, then in display options we have our motion smoothness. So by default we have our adaptive smoothness, so get smoother animations and scrolling, etc, etc. This is our default options. We can use, of course, standard. So we have short explanation key here. Get longer battery life with a 60 Hz screen refresh rate. So let's use this one, and it is visibly different. But if you want to save some battery, we can use it. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.